What is the purpose of a 1098 tax form?
Hello and welcome. In today's discussion, we are going to unravel the mystery of the 1098 tax form, commonly known as the mortgage interest statement. This document plays a significant role in your annual tax filing process if you have a mortgage. So, let's get started.
What is a 1098 tax form?
A 1098 tax form is a document that your mortgage company will send to you and the IRS at the end of each tax year. The primary purpose of this form is to report the amount of mortgage interest and related expenses you paid on your mortgage throughout the tax year. Mortgage interest, in many cases, is tax deductible, and this form provides the information needed to claim those deductions. The form may also report other details such as the mortgage insurance premiums you paid or points that you acquired during the year.
Who needs to use a 1098 tax form?
So, who needs to use a 1098 tax form? If you are a homeowner who pays mortgage interest, this form is for you. The form serves as proof of the amount of mortgage interest and other relevant expenses that you have paid over the year. You can then use this information when preparing your tax return to claim the mortgage interest deduction if you qualify. Keep in mind, not everyone will qualify for this deduction, as there are rules and limits to be aware of, and the standard deduction might be a better option for you.
How to use a 1098 tax form?
The numbers on your 1098 tax form are used to fill out your Schedule A, itemized deductions, which is a part of your federal tax return, if you choose to itemize. Remember, it's essential to compare the total of your itemized deductions to the standard deduction. You'll want to choose the method that gives you the largest tax benefit. If your total itemized deductions are greater than the standard deduction, then you'll likely want to use the 1098 information to claim the mortgage interest deduction. To wrap up, the 1098 tax form serves as an essential tool in reporting mortgage-related expenses during the tax year. If you're a homeowner paying mortgage interest, you should keep an eye out for this form at tax time. As always, consult with a tax professional if you're unsure about how to apply this to your tax situation. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has shed some light on the importance and usage of the 1098 tax form. Until next time, stay financially savvy.